How do you design a successful strategy? What is strategy? How do you use strategy in your business? And why does everybody talk about it, but nobody explains to you on how to actually do it? My name is Beate Chelette, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what these things are and how you can use them. I am the growth architect, and I work with visionaries and leaders to help them scale their impact and build their authority. And systems and strategies are only two of my very favorite things. So, a strategy, in the simplest word, is your goal broken down into pieces. So, if you are going to New York or London and you're going into the subway, you want to figure out how to get to the Empire State Building or visit Big Ben. The first thing that you're going to do is you look at the red dot and it says you are here. And then you're looking on the map where it is that you want to go. And then with your finger, you kind of like trace the different ways on how you could get there. You may have a number of different ways to get to your destination. It could be the bus, it could be the subway. It might be closer for you to walk. So these are the comparative things that you can say, this is like my strategy, right? So my strategy is getting fresh air and I'm going to walk. My strategy is to get there as fast as I possibly can. I'm going to take the subway. So strategy for you is something that I want you to look at as your very best friend. It will tell you exactly how you're going to get to your goal, but your first piece of your strategy is you need to figure what that goal is and identify that. So that's what I want you to do right now. I want you to sit down, take a pen and paper or type it in your computer and really think about what is that goal that you want to achieve? What does this business even look like? Is it laptop? If it's lifestyle? And then once you know where you're going and what that looks like, now we can build a clear strategy to get there. And then these strategies are broken down into small pieces. And that might be, to stay with our example, what are you wearing? How do you get ready for the journey? Who are you taking with you on the journey? Are you going by yourself? What time of the day are you going? So these are all like details and sub strategies that we're using and put them under the larger strategy, because these are all the pieces or the steps, if you want to call them steps, on how to help you to get to achieve your bigger goal, to get you to that marker that says success for you. Thank you so much for watching. This is Beate Chelette. And if you would do me a big favor and share this video with one other person, I'd be so grateful. We also have a podcast called The Business Growth Architect Show. I encourage you to go and check out our strategic podcast. It's a podcast specifically for strategies, and you can get it anywhere you pick up your podcasts. And I look forward to learning more about how we can support your business.